सुप्रभातं स्वागतं शुभस्वागतं सर्वेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः। प्रिय छात्राः, अद्य वयं दशम्यां कक्षायां षष्ठं पाठं सुभाषितानि इति पाठं पठामः। सुष्ठुभाषितानि सुभाषितानि सूक्तयः सद्वचनानि इति एतस्य पर्यायपदं भवति। षष्ठे पाठे वयं सुभाषितानि पठन्तः स्मः। अद्य अंतिम सुभाषितद्वयं पठिष्यामः। Students, welcome to online classes. In the class 10th, today we are learning the 6th lesson of class 10th, that is the Subhashitani. We have thoroughly studied all the Subhashitas. Only 2 Subhashitas are left for today, which we are going to study. Before we start the last 2 Subhashitas, I would like to read all the Subhashitas as a model reading. Please watch, please listen to my reading and it will be followed by follow-up reading. Adarshavachanam anantaram anuvachanam. Alasyam hi manushyanam sharirastho mahan ripuhu nastyudyama samo bandhuhu कृत्वायं नावसीदति कृत्वायं नावसीदति गुणी गुणं वेत्ति न वेत्ति निर्गुणो बली बलं वेत्ति न वेत्ति निर्बलः पिको वसन्तस्य गुणं न वायसः करी च सिंहस्य बलं न मूषकः निमित्तमुद्दिश्य हि यः प्रकुप्यति ध्रुवं स तस्यापगमे प्रसीदति अकारणद्वेषी मनस्तु यस्य वै कथं जनस्तं परितोषयिष्यति उदीरितोऽर्थः पशुनापि गृह्यते हयाश्च नागाश्च वहन्ति बोधिताः अनुक्तमप्यूहति पंडितो जनः परेङ्गितज्ञानफला हि बुद्धयः क्रोधो हि शत्रुः प्रथमो नराणां देहस्थितो देहविनाशनाय यथा स्थितः काष्ठगतो हि वह्निः स एव वह्निर्दहते शरीरम् मृगा मृगैः सङ्गमनुव्रजन्ति गावश्च गोभिः तुरगास्तुरङ्गैः मूर्खाश्च मूर्खैः सुधियः सुधीभिः समानशीलव्यसनेषु सख्यम् सेवितव्यो महावृक्षः फलच्छाया समन्वितः यदि दैवात् फलं नास्ति छाया केन निवार्यते अमन्त्रमक्षरं नास्ति नास्ति मूलमनौषधम् अयोग्यः पुरुषो नास्ति योजकस्तत्र दुर्लभः सम्पत्तौ च विपत्तौ च महतामेकरूपता उदिते सविता रक्तो रक्तश्चास्तमये तथा विचित्रे खलु संसारे नास्ति किंचिन्निरर्थकम् अश्वश्चेद्धावने वीरः भारस्य वहने खरः भारस्य वहने खरः। एवं दश सुभाषितानि सन्ति। एकवारं सम्यक् अवगमनार्थम् एकवारं पठामः। इतः पूर्वं गीतम् इदानीम् एकवारं पठामि। आलस्यं हि मनुष्याणां शरीरस्थो महान् रिपुः नास्त्युद्यम समो बन्धुः कृत्वायं नावसीदति. गुणी गुणं वेत्ति न वेत्ति निर्गुणो बली बलं वेत्ति न वेत्ति निर्बलः. पिको वसन्तस्य गुणं न वायसः करीच सिंहस्य बलं न मूषकः. निमित्तमुद्दिश्य हि यः प्रकुप्यति ध्रुवं सः तस्यापगमे प्रसीदति. अकारणद्वेषी मनस्तु यस्य वै कथं जनस्तं परितोषयिष्यति. उदीरितोऽर्थः पशुनापि गृह्यते हयाश्च नागाश्च वहन्ति बोधिताः अनुक्तमप्यूहति पंडितो जनः परेङ्गितज्ञानफला हि बुद्धयः. क्रोधो हि शत्रुः प्रथमो नराणां देहस्थितो देहविनाशनाय यथास्थितः काष्ठगतो हि वह्निः स एव वह्निर्दहते शरीरम्. मृगा मृगैः सङ्गमनुव्रजन्ति गावश्च गोभिः तुरगास्तुरङ्गैः मूर्खाश्च मूर्खैः सुधियः सुधीभिः समानशीलव्यसनेषु सख्यम्. सेवितव्यो महावृक्षः फलच्छायासमन्वितः यदि दैवात् फलं नास्ति छाया केन निवार्यते. अमन्त्रमक्षरं नास्ति नास्ति मूलमनौषधम् अयोग्यः पुरुषः नास्ति योजकस्तत्र दुर्लभः. संपत्तौ च विपत्तौ च महताम् एकरूपता उदिते क्षम्यताम् उदये सविता रक्तो रक्तश्चास्तमये तथा. विचित्रे खलु संसारे नास्ति किञ्चिन्निरर्थकम् अश्वश्चेत् धावने वीरः भारस्य वहने खरः. अद्य नवमश्लोकं पश्यामः. सम्पत्तौ च विपत्तौ च महताम् एकरूपता. We are the humans, is it not? In Bhagavad Gita, समलोष्ठाश्मकाञ्चनः इति कृष्णः वदति. He is the matured one who looks gold and the mud same. Do we see? No. Because when we die, we are neither going to take the gold nor the mud. Is it? That's why mature people see same in the both. But we are very much mature only in the business, not in the mental. Mental maturity is different. Business maturity is very different. And one more incident I would like to share. My philosophy professor used to give one beautiful example always. That when this shloka comes, his class, I still feel like I am sitting in his class. He used to say that especially in Karnataka, during the Sankranti, we make the sweet out of the sugar that is called sakre achu. That means the what you call from this sugar's juice we take, and we will make the different shapes just like birds, animals, like that. So when we go and distribute to the others, the child, there will be two children in the house, two or three children will be there, especially one small child will be there. When we were also small, we did the same thing. Soon after they give, two, three people will come, three, four varieties of that sakrachu will come, that sweet. We fight. I want the swan, I want the swan. There will be square, rectangle, even some will do the swans like that. So we fight for the swan. That philosophy professor used to say that, see, we always fight for the shapes. In this world, what we see? Only the shape. It is a personal advice to you all. You are all becoming young now. Kanya varayate rupam. At the time of marriage, people will see the only the beauty in the girl. So child sees the shape of the sweet. Understand? If it is broken, child doesn't accept. He wants the complete shape. But the truth is that let it be any shape, sweet is sweet. The truth is that it is that sweet, but a child doesn't see it as a sweet. Child looks it as only the shape swan. She feels that it is the swan. Whereas a elderly brother will be there. He will accept whatever you give because for him eating the sweet is important. Whereas for a child, that means he is matured. Elder brother is matured. He doesn't see the shape. He looks the sweet. Like that, even in this world, we are still like a kids fighting for the business. But one who is grown up beyond the business, he looks that gold and the mud same. But we don't because we should not, even though we know that we cannot accept. Philosophy is such a subject that merely studying you don't understand philosophy. For that, you need the mental stage also. If I say today, mud and gold same, you will say, "My sir, pagal ho gaya." Because you don't, even though it is told, we don't. If I say that your monthly test marks doesn't matter, ah, sir, as a teacher, you should not tell. Is it not? As a teacher, it is not right. But when you go beyond, when you are in the sixth and seventh, many times you fought with me for 1 mark. But do you remember in which exam you fought for that? Today in the 10th, you don't remember for which exam you fought. But when you were there in that situation, that was matters. That matters. So in this world also like that, when we are in the business that matters, but when you get matured, it doesn't matter. The same thing is explained. Sampattau, sampattihi, wealth. When you get too much of wealth, what Duryodhana used to say, Adhyo Vijanavanasmi, Onyosti Sadrisho Maya, Yakshe Dasyami Modishe, Ityajnana Vimohitaha. अरे मेरा पास इतना पैसा है, पैसा फेंक के लेके जाऊंगा. People will say no, पैसा फेंक के खरीद दूंगा. That means when money is there, people will behave differently. When money is not there, अरे यार चाय पीने चलेंगे, नहीं यार चाय पीने से एसिडिटी हो जाता है. He is not worried about acidity, but he is worried that money is not there in the pocket. Understood? People behave very differently. If the money is there, चलो यार चाय पीने जाते हैं. अरे यार इसमें 5 रुपए चाय का मजा नहीं आता है, हम 5 स्टार में चाय पियेंगे. Understood? So people change according to the money. When they get the sampattihi, wealth, they behave differently. Vipattihi, sampatti इत्यस्य विलोमपद विपत्ति. कष्टकाले, so Sukhakale, differently they believe. Vipattau, when they are in the difficulty, they behave very differently. But Mahatam nama Satam, Jeshtanam, Shreshtanam, Ekarupata. We ordinary people change our attitude when we are having wealth and when we are in the difficulty. But the great people, whether they have the wealth or they don't have the wealth, they behave the same. Beautiful example is given for that. Udaye Savita Raktaha. Udayaha Suryodaya Kale. When sun rises, See, this is very, very important. Please note down, my dear students. Savita. Savita is a, many people keep it as a Savita girl's name. Understood? My one of the sisters' name is also Savita. But this is not a Strilinga Shabda. Many of you feel that it is Akaranta Strilinga, Lata Shabdavat. No. This is Rukaranta Pullinga Savitru Shabdaha. Please note down शब्दज्ञानम् अत्यावश्यकं सवितृ शब्दः पिता भ्राता अस्ति खलु एवं सविता सवितारौ सवितारः understood उदये सविता रक्तः see that's why विशेषणम् is there क्षम्यतां रक्तो रक्तः सविता रक्ता इति भवेत् खलु नास्ति सविता रक्तः like this they will ask you understood so in the vakya samshodhanam they may ask you udaye savita rakta correct this sentence you should say raktah udaye savita raktah sun is red in the color when he rises is it somebody's rise it means he is getting name fame money is it raktascha raktah cha astamaye tatha when sun rises also he will be in red color aruna varana raktah nama astamaye see atra punarekavaram viloma shabdah asti udayah astah iti when sun rises he will be red color when he sets down also he will be in red color that's why when you win when you lose you should be the same that is called sportsmanship many of you might have seen when you lose throwing the bat throwing the wickets is it kicking the ball out of the ground because of anger you lost that shows that you are not matured player whether you win or the lose you should accept the game as a game that is the sportsmanship that's what we are learning today sampattau sampattihi ikaranta pullinga matihi iti matau सप्तमी विभक्ति एकवचन संपत्तौ च विपत्तौ च महतां एकरूपता उदये सविता रक्तः रक्तश्च अस्तमये तथा when sun rises and sets he will be red like that great people will behave same when they get the wealth and when they are difficulty also last shloka विचित्रे खलु संसारे नास्ति किंचिन निरर्थकम् अश्वश्चेद्धावने वीरः भारस्य वहने खरः so अनेकता में एकता भारत की विशेषता so the very truth of this world is that we always go for comparing ourselves but the truth is that nobody is equal with anybody everybody born in this earth is very unique everybody is special everybody is different विचित्रे खलु संसारे एकम इव अन्यः नास्ति यथा एकः पुरुषः अस्ति तथा द्वितीयः पुरुषः नास्ति even though there is a physical appearance by appearance people say that seven people will be look like alike in this world but in the nature nobody is same in this world even though we are very in the we sit in the same class we belong to the same age but we are all very different from each one that we must accept first so never compare that why I am not there like him why he is not there like me we should not because everybody every creation of the god is different vichitre khalu samsare vichitram asti different nasti kinchin nirarthakam अस्मिन् संसारे किंचिदपि निरर्थकं नास्ति nothing is useless is it not nothing is useless in this creation we say, oh, he is very good, he is very bad. So why he is good and why he is bad? Because of that situation. In the future also, if you get that you are rejected in any interview, my dear boys, be strong mentally. First of all, you are not rejected for everything. You are rejected only for that interview. That interview, he is not rejecting you because what you wanted, what he wanted, that you don't have. Is it not? So if you call Sachin Tendulkar, he is such a great player. If he goes for the selection of Indian football team, he may be rejected. What does it mean? Sachin is useless? No. He is not fit for that. So when somebody is rejecting, you don't blame yourself. Rabindranath Tagore tells that self-humiliation is sin. Never underestimate yourself. Understood? Never hate yourself. There are many people to hate you in the society, but at least you must love yourself. Nasti kinchin nirartakam. There is nothing useless in this world because ashwaschet dhavane viraha. If horse is good in running, it's very good in running. Bharasya vahane karaha. You cannot call the horse to take the weight. When it comes to carry the weight, people search for the donkeys. Karaha, very important, my dear boys. Please note down this word with 5 stars because Shabdartha it will come Karaha, Gardabaha, Rasabhaha, Paryaya Padani. Karaha nama donkey. So when it comes to carry the weight, people look for the donkey, not for the horse. अवगतम्? एवं विचित्रे खलु संसारे, in this peculiar world, different world, नास्ति किंचिन निरर्थकम, किंचिदपि निरर्थकम नास्ति, nothing is useless. If the horse is good in running, karaha, donkey is good for carrying the weight.